people, now as you see I am creating my June digital bullet journal spreads, and while you are watching I want to ask some questions. First of all, I'm curious, do you have your digital bullet journal or you prefer paper? Because currently I really trying to make it paperless. But I definitely have some problems with consistency, especially with some of my spreads. I understand that it's important to me, but I can't. Do you have the same problem as I am, or I'm here alone? I thought about it, and I read a lot, I watched a lot, and first, why? I am losing my intentions. It's not enough detailed strategy and understanding isn't good enough. Second, it's my another half of soul that have other intentions and always saying something like, your body needs this or that now, and it's not your goal now. And another point, actually very important, it's statement that I have a lot of time, and it's not true because you actually doesn't have it. And that's why first you have your goals and everyday stuff that you should do. Second, you live between people and you have your husband, children, work colleagues, or other people around you. Time to time, you're spending time to talk with these people when you actually don't have so much time, or you spend time for some reasons like someone asked you to do something. It doesn't matter big or small task, but you spend time to talk with these people, to do this stuff, and time is gone. I searched for some solutions for my behavior about forgetting some of my intentions, and I found some solutions. It's actually more like a plan that you should create an ideal picture, write it down, or save it somewhere or somehow. Then you need to clear intentions, decide do you really need it, or decide your why, because your why is very important. If you don't have strong will that you need it, I think it's 99% that you fail it sooner or later. Then you should set some goals, create a plan, write down all triggers for your good behavior, maybe some stickers on your refrigerator or on your table or on your phone, like wallpaper for your phone or for your laptop or for tablet. And after, you should imagine all situation where you can fail or how you can fail, and in front of every situation you need to decide your good behavior, what you would do if for example, if I want chocolate, it's mean I'm hungry and I need to go and grab some good food, and then if I still want chocolate, let it be. And now let's look what we have here with our bullet journal. Let's see what we have here. First of all, it's our cover. My idea was that I need this month with some flowers, with red colors. Next, it's my usual to-do list, events, books that I want to read, and what I'm currently reading. Next page, it's like calendar and some motivation quote that I will try to follow. this month. Next it's goals, and I like this cutie owl, and I also like this flame because, you know, goals, flame, you need to remind yourself that you need to pursue your goals and don't forget about it. And flame, it's like a perfect metaphor for this type of things, I think. Next, it's my habits. I like calendar type because you can see what you have done this month and what not. Next page, it's about my sleep and weight. Simple, some flowers, sleep, weight, and some space for this information. Brain dump, also very simple page because of this is a brain dump. You need space, some ideas, and I think it's quite beautiful with these red roses. Next, it's my weekly pages, my first week, if I can say it, because we have only 2 days here, and these cute rabbits. It's like my actual page look like. I don't know, maybe in future I will use another layout, but now I feel that currently it's great for me. If you like something else, you can leave comments below, and maybe you want, and I will try it. And something new, it's achievements. It's not quite new, but last time it was like half goals, half achievements page. Now I have like 1 page for my achievements, because I realized that achievements, it's not only goals that I have, and you need some space to add some thoughts about your achievements, about maybe what you want to improve or something like this. And it's perfect page to save this information and use it in the next month. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave comments if you want it. Subscribe if you like it. And be cool with your journal.